You know, them say, you know, and at the same day, leave, drop a water bottom and rotten. You know, some people take the saying, hear the saying there and take it light. You see me, but the saying they are serious, something. Isn't it? Yeah, because you have some people are going there, you know, man. You see me? Yeah, some people are going there. And them in a trouble, you know? Them in a trouble. Believe me. Say them in a trouble. But them just not know. Say they in a trouble yet. You see me? Yeah, man. Some people in a trouble, but them not know. Say they in a trouble. As yet. You see me? Yeah. I see by the time they know say they in a trouble. A rotten, they rotten, you know? Yeah. Some people drop a water bottom already. You hear me I tell you? Yeah. Some people dig a water bottom already. All some people where you see are going like say they end up on top of the world. You see me? Yeah. Some people where you see are going like they end up on top of the world, man. A water bottom they end there. Yeah. And the only reason they don't know is because they not rotten yet. Yeah, man. So, while you see some people are going, you see me, I do you all some type of thing, you know, man. You see me? Just humble yourself, man, and watch them. You see me? Yeah, humble yourself and watch them. Because even the Bible tell you, say, harm no man, but make no man harm you. You see me? Yeah. So as long as you can avoid a person, avoid the person. You see me? Yeah, man, because some of them where you see are going there, the people. They in a trouble, man. You see me? Yeah. Them in a trouble and you see you have some people. Some of them know say they in a trouble already. You see me? But before them just go on their ways with them trouble, you know, them want you to put yourself in a trouble for them. You see me? Because them want to have company in them trouble. You see me? Yeah, man. Alright. I read one story one at a time, you know, where this brother I go through the wilderness. You see me? Yeah, man. Hungry and thirsty and thing. And while him a going through the wilderness there and thing, him buck up on a little old house in the wilderness there. You see me? Yeah. But when him look, him see a beautiful woman coming out of the little house in the no make laugh nowhere. You see me? Yeah, the woman was so beautiful when the lady a walk is like she a model. That's how beautiful the lady was, and may I tell you say the woman fall in love at first sight. You see me? And the beautiful woman looked at him and said, "Oh man, you look so tired and hungry. Come on inside and let me give you a piece of potato pudding." I tell you, the man was so amazed with how beautiful the lady was. Him not even think twice. He said, what a beautiful lady like she doing in the wilderness by herself. You know? It's just like you see some man, you know, we fall for some pretty woman, you know, man, or some woman where all demons them, you know. Believe me. But because of how beautiful they are or how they appear, you know, man, they tricky, you know. I mean, I tell you, say the man stays so boom and all reaching all marriage with the woman, you know. But when him did it, him start to realize, say, yo, at night time, when time he sleep and wake, he can't see the woman in the bed. You know? And the man say one night time he have to see what his wife up to. So one night he lie down there and go on like say him asleep. And when the woman wake up and look upon him and say he look like him asleep, the woman jump up off her bed, you know, and draw out one whole spinning wheel and one coal pot from under the bed, you know, man, and light the coal pot of fire, you know? Yeah. And then she sit down in a coal pot and one spinning wheel and I say turn and spin, come off skin. And the whole of woman skin come off, you know. Woman turn in a one big black cat rotted and jump out through the window and get up a garden. Afford with the friend them. Yeah. And when he come back in the night, the man and he look, he say he think him man asleep, you know. Then the time the man see say a trouble, you know. Yeah, and the man this nobody hesitating, and the man just get up and start run around the house and start find salt and pepper and bleach and every type of thing where he deal with him away, you know. And just throw them in his skin and put back in his skin under his bed like nothing happen. You know, and once one time she come in back, you know. You see me? She come in back and the man lie down there because the man say who him nah run out, you know. No, because if he run out, the woman might buck him up out the road. You see me? So, he go and do what he have to do and he pepper the skin and put it back under the bed, man. And what, man? You see when time she jump back through the window and come in? And when time she look on the man and she say, man asleep, said we, she say, yes. I went out and I enjoyed myself with my friends. I have a lot of fun. And my husband never find out. You know? Yeah, and when time she stays so woman start it put on back his skin, you know, man. You know? Because, you know, but the light but no cold pot again or nothing, you know, because I put on back his skin and now she just stays so woman just slide in her clothes and I say, man, you know, so she have to go light cold pot and have to go make it hot and everything before. Before she could have take off back his skin, you know, man. And I say one time she thought put on the clothes, put on the skin, you know. Rotted cloth, man, a one piece of pepper, me say one piece of heat. Take him, you know, man. You know? The bleach and the salt and the pepper and everything burn her, man. And she turn around and she drop down and dead. You know? Yeah. And the man get up way out of the house and that's how the man get away from the cat woman. You know? Yeah. The story is called The Cat Woman and the Spinning Wheel. You see me? So you have some people where are going with them doings, you know, and feel say nobody no know. Say them a do what them a do. You see me? But chances are people know. You know? And people chew pepper in on the skin already. But just because I know the same day leaf drop of water bottom me rotten. A hit make uno still a run and I feel like say uno win. You know? Yeah. And that's why you see whole heap of people a run and I feel like say they win. True because they no put on back then skin it. You see me? But anytime uno put on back that skin them, man. You know? Yeah. That's the time uno go realize say, man, you know, see somebody find out about me deeds and then throw salt and pepper in my skin and it about me. Yeah, man. Yeah. So I saw the thing go. Majority of we stay some and see some people and show them appear nice and you know we run into them and thing. You see me? I don't run into people, man. You see me? One songwriter said take time to know her is not a overnight thing. You see me? Yeah. And I just one of them there. You see me? Yeah, man. And another songwriter say if you can't be good, you try. Be careful. You know? Yeah, man. Caution the quiver. You know the vibe.